So again, I love sharing this with people, because at the end of the day, if someone says to you, Varsha, we must catch up for a coffee, the next time someone says that to you, pull your phone up and say, you know what, next week, Tuesday and Thursday, I'm free at 10 o'clock. And see if that person doesn't go, blah, 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 and they start stumbling and looking for words. Put them on the spot, because what I'm sharing with you here is someone could be hankering. You're just waiting for that coffee so you can have a chat to them about something, or they could help you in a business opportunity or something. And we leave people just hanging by saying that. We think, I must do coffee sometime. Bye, catch you later. And that phone never rings. Put your money where your mouth is. But I forget to follow up. Well, again, your phone's an amazing tool. Put it in the calendar. Bing, reminder. I've got to phone Varsha. I said I would invite her for a coffee. So put your money where your mouth is. If you don't mean let's go for a coffee or we must do lunch sometime, don't open your mouth. Be sincere. It's actually very hurtful when people say we must catch up, or got to run, catch up, let's do a coffee soon. We must get together soon. Put people on the spot. Put people under pressure. Say, great, I'd love to catch up. How's your diary next week? My diary's free on these days.